Iniagod mga mascara dancers sa pagpakita mo kung ano ang ginagawa ng yuhong or smile steps. Okay, let's have the first yuhong steps.
Ako lang yung yuhong.
Kaya wala sila mas, iskada ko na yuhong. Sige, okay.
Yuhong.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number 2, we have pagsakulog or celebration.
Paliwanag yan.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8.
Amo na dapat yung stepping sa Diyos.
Okay. The third, pagsinadya or merry making.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Ay, Mary, siya yan. Wala yan pag sinunod.
Number 4, paghubong or unity.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ano na yan? Unity. Ay, unity.
And the last one, we have kahubon or pairing step.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ay! Ay!
Thank you very much.
Master Dr. Bass. Now it's time for questions. Go ahead.
I have a question. Are you going to use the same music that you use now or something else? Because no copyright can be flat on your song. And I hope you don't use some California playlist because that is very foreign enough.
Yeah, thank you for that question. Number 1, we have official music for the Master Festival. It was already launched. As we all know, there will be some sort of adjustments. Number 2, we have a different street dance music to be played. There will be a recall from old songs, but then again, the foundation able to come up with mix and parang hype siya na arrangement for the street dance music. So, hindi siya purely ma-play yung mga old songs, but there will be a simple recall. Then thirdly, the arena music, our contingents are allowed to create, mix, and even combine some old songs. Okay? So with that, this is a very open way for creativity, where our contingents are allowed even to come up with their own music.
I hope they don't use from California to the USA because we are Bacolod in the mix.
Yeah. Part of our screening, we need to hear the music. We can note into that particular line. That might be sensitive from California to the New York island. Yeah, we will take note on that and even to give a valuable suggestion to our contingents.
As long as we don't get flagged when we post.
Yeah, that's correct.
Can we take down the video?
Yes, ma'am. One of the points discussed during the consultative meeting, once mag-live kita, gina-off ni Meta, ang music. And we don't want to allow that, because we want to have a streamlined or a seamless presentation during the event.
Because ang Indian percent of the song, the other day that you're fixing,
Mm.
it was more different songs that are composed by the people.
Okay.
So mapagod ka lang, even if just the first new note, copyright violation.
Well noted on that, ma'am, and we can have that as a feedback to the
So
teacher.
you'll make sure that there will be no copyright.
Yeah, we look into that. Thank you very much.
What tayo mo start, sir, sa arena?
For the arena, we have 2 categories. We have the school category and the barangay category. So we will start at 1 p.m. No? But prior to the 1 p.m., we give our major sponsors a preliminary acts, or should I say, front acts, no? May mga activities. But we will take off at 1 p.m. Sa Paglaong Sports Complex, and then followed by the street dancing.
Para makasunod ang public, may ticket or
May general admission to that, no? Sa Paglaong Sports Complex. But of course, we identify some areas for our city officials and VIPs and also our sponsors.
Sir, ang 61 barangays, pila gina nag-submit sa ilang interest to join? And paano nakakapulo?
If I may recall, Pulo, Imam ang nag-submit, no? Nag-express ang letter of intent out of 61, no? Sila ginupulo, no? And the foundation, the Bacolod Dugma Foundation Incorporated, helped them process, no? One of the major requirement is dapat klarado sila sa mga liquidation requirements and the like. So the foundation make sure na wala na ni makakasapulo na nag-express intent, no? And also part of the mechanics is really to encourage other barangays. This year, gina-advise natin yung mga barangay kung pwede hindi sila ka-interest at 2 major cultural events. That's why some of them are part of the Electric Mascara, yun, and then in some other cultural events.
How about the school, sir?
Ang school naman, we base it sa districts. So we have 7 districts, and pasalamat kami kay Sir Develos, we're able to maximize, no, kanang district ng intragin. 7.
Are we assuming ang mga barangay na nakaliquidate sa ilang mga nabigan? Ang mga wala na naita, wala?
Yes, sir. Sa committee kag sa Bacolod Dugma Foundation Incorporated, we're able to get the signal na they're all good to go.
What are the prices at stake?
Nga elementary lang, how about the high school?
Yes, sir. It's a transition, no? As we all know, we have 5-year hiatus after the pandemic. So, medyo ma-start off kita anay sa school, nga elementary, then moving forward, we can have it by next year.
What are the prices at stake?
For now, gina-review pa naman ang iba ng mga prices. But one thing for sure, ma'am, for the grand winner for the barangay category, we have 1 million pesos for the grand prize. For the school category, we have 750,000.
Look back, recalling your guidelines or mechanics for the competition, whether or not we are revamping the song that we've launched last Saturday, we'll try to improve it, but that is not part of our guidelines to actually use the entire song or a portion of that song for the competition proper.
Yeah, thank you, Adrian. Since that our contingent are free, to create and mix their own music for the arena performances, they are only required to lift part of the official music, as per advice by our festival director Rodney Ascalon. Only the chorus, can be embedded in their arena music. They can use it in the first part of their music, or maybe somewhere in the middle, or even part of their finale.
For Nestor, can you just explain to us what are the things that will be happening or the events that we will be staging once mag-abot na mga tao sa Bacolod City Plaza while waiting for the official announcement of winners?
So with that, as mentioned by Doc Bat, so mas-start kita sa arena competition sa Paglaong Sports Complex. Then right after that, contingents will have their street dancing along Araneta Street, then proceeding to Bacolod Public Plaza. So there we'll have the merrymaking of the contingents, we'll have the community dance, and there will be the awarding will be there also at the Bacolod Public Plaza. So dito pa rin comments kijang aton nga street dancing and arena sa Bacolod Public Plaza with a community dance, a merrymaking competition with a contingents, and then the awarding ceremony.
It means that there's no...
ilang judges sa arena pag sa shapings?
We invited judges all across the country, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. For the arena competition, we have 7 judges, and then for the street dance, we have 5. For the total of 12 judges for each category.
Hindi lang judging case ang isip.
Judging place, we have 3 stations. It will start somewhere in Rizal Elementary School. That's the first station. Then the second is somewhere in the between San Sebastian, San Sebastian and the old Dunkin' Donuts. And then the third is in the old City Hall.
How about sa Barangay Granada? Intend na to join or Hall of Famer?
Yeah, Barangay Granada is already a 3-peat, no, or Grand Slam champion, as you could say, no. And there is an agreement, unwritten, or another unwritten agreement that Barangay Granada will inhibit themselves muna, no, to join and give way also to other barangays.
So next year, pwede na sa ako.
Yes, it is.
Can we also get some statements coming from our invited barangay representatives, just to share their anticipation or in preparation for
Yes.
this competition?
We have representative here.
We have barangay captains here of barangay 13, then 29, and barangay, because some of the barangay captains were not here because they have a seminar. So we have 3 barangay captains available. Can we request barangay captain?
Yes, may I request all barangay captains who are here to please
School, sir, isa.
get to the days na for us to be recognized.
And also for the school, we'd like to request Division School Superintendent, Mr. De Velos.
Mr. Develos, please. Thank you. Please occupy this space, please. Thank you. Okay, let's have a short statement from barangay captains as well, right? Okay, let's have one first. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Prof. Narda of Barangay 39. Good morning, everyone. Ang preparation sa pag-join sa Mascot Festival, so this is my first term actually, and this is my first time to compete sa street dance and arena competition. Very hard to prepare, kaya tungod na sa financial, ito para compare sa may barangay, there are a lot of resources. Sa as of now, wala akong nagwala sa country. Prepare ko sa mga isang reasons man sa mga basic reasons. Pero kumbaga, initial o big event, sa big na pero hindi lang kayo obligado, pero willing ko mag-participate para sa mga
Saan naman mag-start practice, sir?
Since nag-start ko ang sa maskara, nag-start na kahit i-udlay na ma-behind ka para sa competition. Miskan, little by little, provide kami sa
Ilang dancers for your
as of now, 55. Pero yung tayo na mo to come up sa 60 sa ginatawag standard. Nandito na mo ang preparation na ang subo. Subo to kagudlay, pero sinatingwaan naman na ma-achieve din ang pina-expect na bumundo ang makolod. Ang maging proud man, kaya mga participant, yung mga participants ng mga barangay kasi as well man ang preparation ka. Sa akong ulo, we are not competing, we are not participating, but ang goal ko yung gusto ko unity ang makolod. Ang muna nag-inspired man po na mag-join sa maskara, kaya gusto ko maging ehemplo man sa mga iba niya. Thank you.
Sir, ano ang grade ng pag-join sa inyo, sir?
Para sa bata. Kahit alam mo bata na.
Daw pwede kami nga maitari kay nagbigalan to ika-partial kami. Itiga kami nga maitari kay paman, no? Ikaw na kuwagay iba ng barangay na kay Paraman. Pantayan na kung ano ipakita sa marami. Para kami mga 2 weeks na. Sige na namin nila sa daw 16 kilo. Kaya namin na steps na daw mga 60 ang gamay rin budget sa barangay namin sa tiga, mga araw ng dahil. Kayo na kami sponsor, ng first time ko ilang ng kapitan, first time ko na intra, barangay lagi naman wala intra. Tiwala ko naman ako sumungit, pero hindi ko ako. Galing lang ko sa akong koryo, mga dancers na tinguhan nila. Sila na nagkaroon ng mga ilang mga imayo ko na
Same set of dancers and choreographers last year. Subok.
same na. Kaya ako may ibang nang nilubang. Salamat kita.
Magluwas lang sa inyong gasto sa inyong karaan. Hindi may pinaprovide.
Doon may araw, doon siya doon nagkakain ko sponsor sa mga ibang sa barangay, mga opisyal, PC ko mga sponsor sila. Pero wala ko
Are you more excited now kung madaog? Hindi siyempre last year, alang-alang si Granada, pero first runner up ka po.
Daw hindi ka mapihuno, pwede ang koryo sa Granada, sponsor ako. Kaya kami lang siya, kontak ko nga na dyan ang ipagawa. Ayaw pa po di ka dito na gusto mo ang akong koryo sa makiyata. Hindi ko ba kuya ko sa akong koryo. Kaya nag-represent na kami. Okay. Kapag lumatagal, bakit lang sila. Ito kamay lang na ang mismong buwan lamang nila sa among tumaragay bata.
So this year's Cup, you're aiming to be a champion.
Yes. Sabay pa. Huwag man sa kakwa. Barangay, huwag man kakwa. Sa free sa nila na. Nakasanakan sa mga dalas. Para sa hindi ka nakwa nila, 400. 500. Pinakakanan sa dancers. Kaysa kung ibalan nila kung ano, hindi ka barangay. Person. 500. Salamat kayo.
First time ngayon class sa sinawan ko nga ay ang mga kumulo na hindi na kayo pagdalan sa puyo ko, hindi nampalan ko ang mga kadanser. Akong gusto magdao, tinuan nyo. Kay wala din na kami ka. Distinct pa lang.
Sample na ka.
Bulan kami ko.
Kami open source pa.
Pero ka-proud ka, Kap, for a small barangay like Barangay 13, you will be competing against big barangays. Subo.
Ay
Good morning, everyone. Welcome from the Japan office.
Sir, ang mag-join sa anong grade sila, sir? Anong grade dapat ang sir mag-join?
Some are limited to grade 5 and 6, the least grade.
So mag-practice sila, sir? May time
For competitive base, may I respectfully refer you to the 7 school heads because they're more aware about their schools. We have 7 school heads at the back. So if I could not answer the query, please help me.
Sir, question.
Yes, sir.
Ang kay elementary, sa atin medyo mahuyang mga bata. Nagpirma sila waiver sa school.
We have class and then for security measures. Refer this to like an medical with a good in fact, we have not even conducted the medical
Di ba per district may representatives nag-offer man ibang schools sa each district to have their participating schools?
Yeah, this time we utilize our teachers in Mount and those have the skills, and we do not hire rather outsiders because we want to cut out our expenditures. The teachers are not allowed to share portion of what they have in life.
How about sa costumes?
We allocated that from the Guma Foundation, the amount of 500. At least we can temper the additional expenditure that would be a burden on the teachers and parents.
So wala ka professional choreographer, designer?
Our teachers is more professional because they are good.
Sir, ay kada division isa lang. Ang isa ka school na participate, hindi ka kuha sa iba within the division.
The school heads are instructed to abide the guidelines of the Guma Foundation.
We have changes on that, sir, in terms of percentages to determine the grant winner. So we have 40% will come from the arena performances. Then from 60 arena, 30 street dance, and there's a 10% for community sport for the total. Community sport. Yes.
How's our preparation for traffic and security?
We have interagency, that's the best person to answer.
With regards to our traffic and preparations for the arena and street dance, we already had a series of meetings with the different interagencies like PITAO, PNP, the RFO, and other interagencies just to make sure everything will be well taken off. Like for example, last week we just had a walkthrough along Paglaong Sports Complex and then along Araneta Street. So for further announcements like road closures, what are the traffic guidelines, so we'll have the public announcement with that together with the Buffalo Guma Foundation and the responsible agencies.
But sir, are we expecting visitors from national government?
As for now, as our advice to our festival director activities, so far the sure national personalities will come is the Department of Tourism Secretary, Secretary Frasco. So siya pa lang so far ang direct sa amo ni Sir Radney na makaabot sa ano. But for the national politicians or any figures from the national, so far wala naman advice sa amo.
So first come first serve, di makakata sa Paglaong, like malantaw lang isa.
Yes, for our general admission, so on a first come first serve basis, but we need to finalize sa school at sa barangay. Those participating schools and barangays, so they'll have a designated number of seats sa atong general admission, and then the rest open na siya. So, gina-finalize na namon ang number of people, kaya until now, we still need to secure or check ang total capacity ng isang Paglaong Sports Complex. So, we just had walk through last week, so gina-finalize pa together with different agencies para makaano dito kung pinalagin ang ma-provide sa capacity sa Paglaong Sports Complex. Wala kalitang figure. Pero to give lang, last year we have 5,000. So more or less kasi nila.
Who will be your judges this competition?
Come again, sir.
Judges. Judges for this competition.
For now, hindi pa naman ma-disclose kung sino mga judges, no? But as mentioned, they came from all across the nation, no? From Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So right now, we are nakita short list, no? But of course, subject for the final approval sa Apollo Foundation.
2 sets of judges, like sa school and sa barangay.
Ideally 2 sets, sir, but of course we consider also mga logistical needs, no? There will be judges who will be judging for both category, and then there will be judges na based on their availability, ma-judge na sila sa school or even sa barangay.
Question, can the media have the right positions and programs?
Yes, no, there's an allocated space for our media sa Tello, no? Yes.
Can we have the typical middle sa program stage? Maybe sa Pulungkuan sa stairs.
Pulungkuan sa stairs, okay.
Sige, sir, na-coordinate namin with the Duma Foundation regarding the resignation sa mga media kung hindi sila makapungko.
So, nasa Tello, ito ginatubo. So, can we have the seats sa baba sa para straightforward?
Sige, sir. So, gina-coordinate sila namin, sir, gina-plan out namin together with the foundation to be in charge sa media namin.
Paano nyo ma-cluster si Payo? Kay madaming competition, dapat mo sa nag-alitra, may vloggers, may mga legit na media. Kung saan binungguan nila, paano tayo ma-control?
Sige, as per our meeting, sir, with the foundation, so provided with the official ID sa tanan nga pang media, vloggers, so ipa-identify din sila na sila lang exclusive na sa mga photos, videos, and all. But, given with the previous years, piskan, ginaano natin, kadamo kita sa nagadugog when it comes to Mascara Festival. So, we prepared some, changes somehow sa aton nga street dancing kung paano. So, ginapagtaan, ginamon paagi as much as possible na makater, ginakaton nga local media, ang aton other vloggers, no official, kaya nga approved sa, sa Makalutugma Foundation.
Sir, ano mga bawal sa arena? May requirements or may mga payo?
As per discussions last week, pag-walk through namon, so so far, initial, hindi pa rin kami pero hindi allowed ang mga nakabackpack and then mag-bring sa mga bottled water na may taklo na mga sila for safety and security reason naton. But with that, gina-check pa rin sa aton PNP kung ano ang mga possible na mga intake hindi pwede. So with that, we'll have the public service announcement nga antis magsulod sa Paglaong Sports Complex ang ginatilian nga dalgon, nga pagdalgon.
Para sa arena, sir, pila ka media ang allowed na makasulod? For Samon Station, for example, 4 or 5 ang makakover.
Pila gusto mo dahil ako?
Gusto ko 5. May nagliga din, di kami kasulod.
Hindi na masakta.
Okay.
Hindi ka mo?
May nagliga, di kami kasulod mo. May isa lang ka, hindi kinahatag sa motor ang 5. Okay, perfect. Ay, para hindi ko yung ayawan, hamba.
Hindi ko sir, isang video kay dito pwede ka play sa mga ibang kanila na mga ads bala. Ako lang concerned sa
Radar sign.
Okay.
May invitation na lang.
Okay, nag-isultan si Mia Pito. Pito.
Sige sa inyo invitation sa public na.
So, ay kami diri Subo sa pag-invite, no? Sa pagpulod nun, kagag mga friends outside of already ng international friends, no? Balik sa pagpulod, kay masinadya na kita, dala maskara, no? Muli ang gugma sa kundiin ang pag-celebrate sa Mascara Festival. So, we are now on the Mascara Festival 2025 with the theme, One Smile, One City, One Heart. So, kita na kita sa Mascara.
Okay, that is invited everyone. Guys, our senior officials, thank you. It's
Okay, but we're not yet over. We have this signature mascara dance. Ipakita natin sa inyo. So we have the signature mascara dance. Sir Vaz, can you explain what is this and let's demonstrate?
Yes, just to add on, no? May ginagawa kita ba 5 peculiar steps. So hindi na sila totally required na dapat sundon, no? But these are just only suggested movements, no? Na pwede or guided ang atong mga choreographers. No? Hindi ka mga dance steps best represents what is the meaning or should I say description sa Mascara Festival, no? I-enumerate ko lang sa mga kadali. The first one is the Yuhu or the smile movement. So this represents the city of smiles. So number 1, bilang, no? Steps. The second one is pagsuulo or tinatawag natin celebration. Okay? Sa kundiin, dancers express the energetic and rhythmic movements to embody the spirit of celebration. No? And the third is pagsinadya or merry making. No? This is to detect the communal fun. So sa pagsinadya, sa pag-celebrar sa Mascara Festival. The number 4 is pag-home or unity. No, one of the core values of Mascara is really to unite, no, despite or kung anong nakalagay sa atin, we always have to be positive and we're always there for each other. And the last one is kapupun or caring, brings good fun of working together. No, for anything happen, no, sa ating community, ang ginatawag natin na kapupun and caring affects partnership and cooperation. So all in all, sa limang ini, nagpapakita ang core values ng Mascara Festival sa resilience, growth, and event transformation. Ngayon natin yan ako. We have dancers, so kaya din okay, we have no setting dancers, no? Sige, so para pagkakatanon ang pinabalo earlier, iniagod mo ng Mascara dancers sa pagpakita, no? Kung ano ang pinatawag na yuhong or smile steps. Okay, let's have the first yuhong steps.
Ako lang yung view mo.
Number 2, we have pagsapulo for celebration.
Paliwanag yan.
Ang muna dapat yung stepping ko nito.
Okay. The third, pagsinadya or merry making.
5, 6, 7, 8, ay, merry siya yan. Wala yan pag sinunod.
Number 4, pagpupong or unity.
5, 6,
Ano na yan? Unity. Unity.
And the last one we have kabubot or pairing step.
7, 8.
Thank you very much, our master dancers. They're coming from different barangays.
Thank you, friends, mga officials and school heads. Thank you for coming to our arena and street dance competition official press conference. Now it's lunchtime. We're going to write our stars, so please don't go. Thank you. We'll see you on our next press conference. Thank you.